Hello friends, welcome to Daily Hacks channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you if you got the same remote of the Bose for your radiators or any for your home or commercial level. Maybe you got the same one remote everywhere. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to use this remote correctly. So if you have the Bose one, same one, I'm going to tell you how you can use it, how you can turn your radiators on, or how you can turn your heating on in your home. So the basically, if you see, it's like a complete box one. So on the right hand side, you will see it has a cover of it. So mostly you get the instruction on your cover how to turn it on and turn it off. And so this is that easy to turn it on and off. So in this video, I will show you how you can basically turn it off. So you will see it has a different buttons onto the right hand side. One is a select one and one is a set one and on and off button, and these are the day, month, and the minutes, the day, hours, and the minutes. However, you want to set on to the timers of your radiator. If you want to turn it on for the only for one day, or you want to turn it on for the 2 hours or some of the minutes, it depends on you how you actually set this remote. So first thing first, on and off. So if I press this off button, you will see the menu is changed to the off point. You will see the radiators are off at the moment. If I press it again, and you will see it show you the sun's time, which means it's a daytime. On to the left hand side, you will see two options here, and one is a like of sun and one is a like moon. So moon mean is a night time, which actually help you to set your radiator for the night time, and with one is for the daytime. So it depends on you if you want to select it for the daytime or the night time. At the moment, you will see the time is like 4:30 onto it. That's why when I press on button or off button, you will see the sun time is came. That's mean you are still into the daytime mode. So if I press it off, that's mean it's off now. And some of the other menus like set point, if I press on the set point, you will see set program. That's mean like if you want to put your radiator onto the daytime, like you will see the days onto the top menu. If I press it again, so menu Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all of the days are here. If I press it like upward up button, you see select the Monday. So it depends on you in the daytime when you want to turn it on. So it's like 6:30 in the morning AM. So 6:30 in the morning, and the Tuesday 6:30 in the morning, and the Wednesday 6:30 in the morning. And when you if you want to do it in the night time as well, so it's all depends on you. If I press a Tuesday and press on the set, it will select to the Tuesday of the 6:30 in the morning. It will turn on by itself. And onto the if I go to the main menu, like this one is a main menu, and if only press the upward arrow button, you will see it's change the only the setting of your temperature. If you want to turn it on by manually or turn it off by manually, so it's all depends on you. If you want to set point your 26 or 27, you can just press the set button. So whenever the radiator will be come on, it depends on you. If it's at the moment it's 20 degrees Celsius, so if you set your temperature to the 26, when it's go to the 26, it will turn off by itself. So that's its set point. I hope you will understand what I was trying to show you, how to turn it off or turn it on. So mostly, as I told you before, that's all of the instructions is on to the cover of the radiator remote or the boiler remote. So I'm gonna turn the back on. On the back side, you will see some of the different menus over here as well. So you don't need to touch this blue chip just because this is like a relay type or something. So here you will see the span button, which is 1.0 and 0.5. So if I don't need to touch that one, but the blue one is like on thing. if you want to connect this remote to your boiler directly, you keep it onto the on. If I turn to the off side, like it's the same like switch button. If you turn to the off side, your remote will not be connected to the boiler anymore. So be careful that sometime you are messing with the remote and your radiators don't turn on or off. So that's mean you have to check these things first, that if it's onto the off position, remote is not connected with the boiler, so your radiators will not turn on. So I hope so you will like the video, and subscribe my channel Daily Hacks. See you in the next video. Bye bye.